Okay, student, good morning. This is Rahul. Today we start fraction and the decimal, chapter number 2, fraction and decimal. So firstly, you know what is fraction. So fraction is a number. A fraction is a number which represent a part of whole. So what is the meaning of the part of the whole? Suppose a apple that having a full apple at the time, and you break the point as in the 4 part, so that is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and then here is the 1 by 4 also, and 1 by 4. So whole part, if you are adding them, so you got the result 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that value is 4 by 4, so the result will be 1 now. Okay, so a fraction is know which represents a part of the whole. Okay, so it means that it's a whole is it's a mean of that that is a group of the object. It means that a group having 4 parts at the time, the result will be same now, 4 by 4, the result will be 1 now. Okay, so that is the fraction. Okay, so how many type of the fraction? How many type of the fraction? So what is the type of the fractions at that? So you know, in the previous class, you know, that is the fraction having basically 2 types, the proper and improper fractions. Improper fraction. Suppose 1 by 2, the number is 1 by 2. Okay, suppose the part of the whole is 1 by 2 at the time. The 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Okay, and 2 by 1 or suppose 4 by 2, that number is the improper fraction. Why this is? Because in the proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than denominator, and then here is numerator is greater than denominator. That is the improper fraction. But improper fraction, we have to convert it in the form of the mixed fraction at the time. So the number, if you are converting these things, firstly suppose the number is 5 by 2, so you are dividing these things to 1 by 2. Why? How is it? Firstly you have to divide this one 2 times, that number is divisible, but 1 is remaining as a remainder part, so here is 2 1 by 2, that is the mixed fraction. Okay, so here is the 2 type of the fractions, that is the proper fraction and the improper fraction. But some variety of the fractions available over there. Here is the decimal fraction. So what is this decimal fraction? Decimal fraction. So if you are converting the proper fraction number in the form of the decimal, suppose you are dividing these 2 divided by 1, the result will be 0.5. That number is the decimal number. But if you are converting these number in the decimal form, so you are multiplying the number in the multiple of 10 now. At the time you are multiplying the number as a 5 in the numerator and denominator both sides. Okay, so if you are multiplying these numbers, so 5 divided by 10, okay, so the result will be 0.5. That is the decimal fraction. Okay, so that is the fraction, decimal fraction. So what is a vulgar fraction? Vulgar fraction क्या होता है? So here the vulgar fraction, if you are converting the number in the multiple of 10, but the number is not converted at the time. Suppose the number is 7 by 11. If you are not multiplying any number, but try to converting the number in the multiple of 10, that number will be not converting in this one. So that why the number is the vulgar fraction, the type of that. So 7 by 11 is the vulgar fraction. So what is a like fraction? What is unlike fraction? Okay, so like fraction are the fraction those have to in the form of this one. So suppose my 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11, all these are the like fraction. Okay, but what is unlike fraction? Suppose you are converting the number 3 by 5, okay, and any other number like 4 by 7. So here no value is the common part. No value is the common part at the time. Okay, no value is common in this one. So that's why that is the unlike fraction. So what is this in the form of that? Suppose today we start the exercise of this chapter, exercise 2.1. okay, so if you are starting these one, okay, starting these one, so see the exercise 2.1. so what is the fraction of each of the following figure is the shaded part? Okay, so what is this? Suppose whole part will be divided in the 8 pieces. So what is the value of that? So one piece having the 1/8 value, one piece again. So here is the 2 pieces of the shaded portion. So that wise 2/8 is the number, and then you are dividing these type of the equivalent fractions in the form of that is 1/4 now. Okay, and then here is the pentagon. See the pentagon, and pentagon having its number of pieces. So here is the shaded portion, only 3 portions. So here is the number of piece will be in the basically 10 pieces at the time. So we are converting the number in the 3/10 as a fraction part. And the third one is it's a regular hexagon, and how many pieces in that? That is 12 pieces. So the denominator portion is 12 and the numerator portion is the shaded portion, that is 5. So here is the 5/12 is the number of that. Okay, so a symbol that indicate H like that, and then this figure having 13 pieces at the time and 7 shaded portions. So that's why 7/13 is the number. Okay, so second question is what is the fraction of an hour is 35 minutes. Okay, so you know in a minute, in the hour form, if you are converting the 1 hour equals to how many minutes? That is 60 minutes. So that's why an hour is in 35 minutes. So you are dividing this number. Okay, so 35 minutes divided by 1 hour. Okay, so you converting the number in the same unit at the time. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. So that's why if you are dividing the number, suppose you cut the value 5 times, if the value is 7/12 now, so the result will be 7/12. Okay, so the third question is convert the following fraction to improper fraction. So how to convert these type of the improper fraction to the mixed fraction? 2/7/9, 7/9. The number is that, so if I am multiplying 9 into 2, that is 9 into 2 and plus 7 divided by 9, the result will be 18 plus 7 out of 9. Okay, so 7, that is 15, 1 carry now, and then 2, 25 out of 9. That is the improper fraction. So you are converting in the form of the mixed fraction. So how to convert them? 9 2 times 18, and then here is the 7 now, and then here is 2. The 2 7/9, the number is same as it is in the previous value. Okay, so question number 4, how to convert the following fraction to the mixed fraction? So what is the result? 73 out of 10. So how is the number is to convert it? 73 out of 8. It means that you are dividing this number into this form. So how to converting this one? 9 times you are dividing. At the time 72 is the number. Okay, so 9 1/8, that is the mixed fraction. So in this chapter many more questions are related with the fraction part, and here the way starting this type of the question, very easy part, and how to convert the fraction in the like fraction and then unlike fraction, choosing them, how to convert them. So see that in the question number 7, that is the convert the following fraction to the equivalent like fraction. So how to convert them? Okay, so see 3/4 and 5/6 and 7/8. How to convert this number? We are multiplying. Suppose we have to find the LCM part of this number. Okay, so how to find the LCM of this number? 4, 6 and 8. So firstly we divide 2, that number is 2, and then 3, and then 4. After that 2 divided by 1, and then 3, and then 4 now, 2 now, again 2 divided by that value is 3, and then 1, and then after that 3. Okay, so if we're multiplying the number 6 into 12, 12 into 24, so number is 24 is the LCM of this number. It means that if you are converting in the like terms, one value, one denominator or numerator, any value having the equal part of all these fractions. So if you are multiplying, the base will be in the 24 form. So what the number we are multiplying? This number is 6. We are multiplying them. Okay, so whole number is 18 out of 24 now. Second number is 5 by 6. We are multiplying 4 times. So the result will be same now, that is 20 out of 24. And then finally 7 by 8 we are multiplying 3 at the time. The number is 21 out of 24. So see, these are the numbers that have the equal denominator. At the time the number is the like term. So how to convert this one? We are converting in that way. The number, question number 7 is to say like that. Okay. Question number 8, what is this? Arrange the given fraction in the descending order. How to arrange this one? So firstly 2 by 9, 2 by 3, and the 8 by 21. Firstly we have to find the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so here 3, that is 3, and then 1, and then 7 now. Again the number 3 divided by the 1, 1, and then 7, and then finally 7. 21 multiply with 3 now. 21 into 3, what the meaning of that? 23 into 21 into 3, 3, and then here is the 6 now. 63 is the number of the LCM of the particular number. So 9 divided by 63, how many times the number will be divided? It's a 7 times. Okay, the 7 multiplied with 2, that is 14 now. And again this number is divided in the 21 times, and then here is to 2. 21 into 2, how much? That is 42 now. And then here is to divide again the number, that is 3, and then 24 is the number. So see, the 2 by 3 is the number that having this largest value. Okay, so how to convert them in the descending order to arrange this one? So arranging the value smaller to descending order, it means that the value is to larger to smaller, or bigger to smaller. It means that the number is 2 by 3 is the first number. After that we have to use 8 by 21, and after that 2 by 9, this number. So we are arranging the number in that way. So that is the descending order. Thank you.